This is Raghav Gupta from Hooghly group of jute mills. We have installed close to 6 megawatts of solar power project through KSL Cleantech Limited. We are very happy with the service that they have given, and the plant has all been commissioned, and we are roughly getting about 12.5 lakh units generation per megawatt with our factory situated in and around Calcutta. As far as regular maintenance is concerned, their service team is very vigilant, and they are regularly maintaining our solar plants through deep cleaning program taken every fortnight.